Hey, welcome back. Don't you hate being in the dark? Well, on our last outing, we came back, the switchboard was out, and one of our lights had blown. I guess after 4 years, that's a thing. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to replace a light in the Keystone Passport. Hey, welcome back. Stay tuned all the way to the end because we're going to do a full install video replacing the light in our Keystone Passport. Yeah, we came back from our friend's RV on our last outing, went to the control panel to turn on the lights, and the control panel switch was out. So I quickly replaced that switch. I always carry a bunch of extra switches with me, and noticed that one of my lights was not operating. So we troubleshooted, and it is the switch, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so our control panel operates the 3 lights that go down the center of our trailer. This light being light number 1, and it was not working. So I went to see if the light bulbs were out, and they were not. But this switch right here is absolutely just floating in there. There's no clicking. And so what I think happened was this switch went, which caused the switch on the control panel to go. That's fixed, and now we're going to fix this. It's a pretty simple process, and really it's 4 screws and just changing the wiring. So let's get started. All right, so for this job, it's a pretty simple thing. It's 4 screws, one of your standard trailer square tip screws, and we got Levi out here helping us, and he's doing a little bit of singing, but it's so simple a task that you can do it with a baby singing to you. A little dark in here because I've got most of the lights off, and I'm going to have to turn off the power to do this, but we'll get it done. So first thing is take a screwdriver. There's 4 screws in here. We'll pop the old light off, and then it's really just 2 wires, and we'll just change out that screw that back on, and we'll have the light fixed. Okay, so step 1, we're going to take these screws out, and I lied, it's actually 6 screws. And it could be 8. It's 8 screws. Nope, it's 6 screws. They offset them. Yeah. Alright, so let me show you what we got. We just pulled the light away, and look at that right there. That's not supposed to be that color. And here's your roof insulation here. But really it's just a black wire and a white wire. And we'll get that redone, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so what we got here is I had to splice in this white wire here. Levi's moving the camera. And then I've got the black wire, which I kind of reinforced with a little electric tape here. And now I'm going to take that black one and plug it in. And it should be ready to go after that. Okay, so what we've done here is the white wire came down, and this runs it into the line. This is the black wire here. It's going to plug into the light fixture itself, tuck everything up, and hello, Levi. So, let's see if we can do all of this. I'm going to wrap that real quick with some electric tape. Okay. Got to get the black one plugged in here. Shh. Hey, hey. Shh. I can't see. Okay. Now before we button that up, I'm going to see if it comes on. Ready? Whoosh. 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 Okay. So that's on. So now I'm putting the screws back in. Put the covers on, and with any luck, we did it all right. All right, so that's that. Okay, so that changes out that light. Pretty simple. You don't have to be an electrician to figure out 2 wires. And got them all tucked in there. And it looks good. And we have light again in the trailer. So we'll see how that works. And by the way, when you're buying RV parts, like your light fixtures, look around. I ended up going to a couple places. The first place I went to, I'm not going to mention the name of the store, but it rhymes with ramping squirreled. And they wanted a lot more for this light, and I went back to the dealer that I bought the light from, and the entire light fixture was only $9. And it's the actual RV part for our Keystone Passport. So anyway, good project. There's the light, and it's done, and it matches all the lights down the line here. You see these 3 lights in the middle. They are all connected to our panel. And everything's working. Okay, hey, so thanks for sticking around to the end. Make sure that you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already done so. There'll be a video popping up over in this area right here. Check that one out. You might like it. And we'll see you in the next video.